guys, this is our tier list. The first one, the bad was a piece of poop. Next, bad fruit. Next, meh. Next, absolutely good fruit. Next, great. Next, super OP. Slip. Yeah. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, first fruit. What do we got here? A rocket. I think you belong here, rocket. Oh, it's better than like some fruits. I think it's a bad fruit. Yeah, bad fruit. Yeah. Next, gonna be like it's fruits here. The spin fruit. I think that's worse than rocket. I think it belongs in piece of poop, like in the most lowest category. I think it's so bad. Yeah. Next, spring. As you're so bad, spring. Even though you're faster than light, no one loves you, spring. It's bomb. Bomb has decent damage, but I don't think it's gonna make it to meh or absolute good fruit. I was gonna go with bad fruit. Yeah, bad fruit. No, bad fruit. But I think rocket does not belong there. So I think I'm gonna have to put rocket in over here. Here, rocket. Shut the hell up, rocket. And next, look, we have here after bomb. The smoke fruit. It's actually decent for grinding. I think it's going to be the top. No, it's gonna be a meh. It's not gonna be a bad fruit. It's meh. It's decent for grinding, bro. Alright. Next, spike. Heck nah, you're going down to the piece of poop. Yeah, I used you before. Walmart version of dough. I'm never gonna eat you. Next, flame. Decent for grinding. I think you belong to absolutely good fruit. You're better than grinding than smoke. Next, what we got here. Ice. I think flame. You just got beaten. I'm gonna replace you, flame. Flame, I'm gonna replace you with. I think you belong in the middle of the category. Yeah, in the middle. You don't deserve to be in the top. Next, sand. I think it's worse than flame because you die easily in the water, like 2 times damage in the water. Alright, next. Eagle. I almost said falcon again. I never tried the eagle fruit, but I think it's an absolutely good fruit because I've seen people use this fruit before. Yeah, it's absolutely good. After eagle comes diamond. I think you go to meh, bro. You're worse than smoke. Next, we got light. It's on the great category, but I think you don't belong at the top. You belong probably in here. Next, after light, rubber. You're going to meh, rubber. Even you're being used by the main character. You are not good, rubber. You are not good. You are not a good fruit. Ghost. It's my first ever devil fruit. But I think it's going to meh. To meh category. It's not that good. Next. magma. I think that's decent. I think you belong in the middle of the category. And great. You have the number one damage in the game, magma. Quick. I don't think the last move is really great. Like the tsunami is absolutely good for raids and grinding, but I think you belong in absolutely good fruit. But I think below sand, because you're absolutely kind of bad. Next, it's gonna be Buddha. My fruit. Buddha. I don't think you're gonna go to great or any other of these. You're going to super OP. I'm not doing this because it's my fruit. It's actually good for raids, good for grinding, and everything. So I think you're going to the middle of the category of super OP. Love. Its range is good, so I think I'm gonna put in absolutely good fruit. I love that for Joel. And next, creation, the new reworked barrier fruit. I think we're going below light. Yeah, heck no, go above light because you only spawn barrier walls, but like it's not barrier anymore, but it's still decently. It's above, so don't. So if you're a user of creation, like don't blame this on me. This is my opinion. Spider. I think no one really wants. When I'm trading this route, no one really likes it. I think it's going to go in here, underneath Quake. Alright, next after Spider, Sound! I put you right here. No, we're going right above Sand. Next, Phoenix. It's decent for health, but I think pretty bad for grinding. But you belong above Eagle, my boy. Eagle is still the Walmart version of you. After Phoenix, Portal. Really good for travel. I think super OP, and also it's good for PvP. You can just teleport people to the lava and hot and cold or anywhere else, and there's lava on the map. So I think you're going. This is, if I do it like this, it means they're the same good. Yeah, but these ones, they just can't fit. Well, like the Sound and the Phoenix, they just can't fit. But Phoenix above Falcon. I mean Eagle, and Sound is above Sand. Not Rumble, I mean Lightning. You are decent. Better than Buddha and Portal. Going there. Pain. You are still a pain. But you are not gonna be a pain after your rework. I don't think I'm gonna add you in the tier list, but I'm gonna try to predict what you're gonna be. I think you're gonna be like above Magma. I'm predicting. If it's still bad, then don't blame it on me. I'm just predicting it. Okay, next, Blizzard. You're one of my fruits back then. I think you belong here. You're kind of good for grinding, especially your F move. Decent for grind. Oh, what did I do? Oh no. No, we just need Gravity. The rework is decently good. You're gonna go to Great, right above Pain. Mammoth. Decent fruit back then. But I think no one likes it in trading. But I think you belong in the Great, but below Magma. But Magma is better than hell that. smart version of you kind of look like dragon and you're like M1s, but you are not dragon. But you are better. Like lightning and T-Rex, they have same value. I mean not same value, but same like strength. Though absolutely same as lightning and T-Rex. After though, shadow. I don't think this is that good anymore. You're below mammoth, my boy. You're below mammoth, my boy. Venom. I think you need a rework, my boy. I think you're gonna go to green. You're kind of good for grinding. And next, control. I don't know, but I think it's same as Blizzard, just my opinion. Oh no, it's better than Blizzard. Yeah, better. It has higher value than Blizzard. Gas, the new fruit. I think you're going to the second place of Super OP, in my opinion. Spirit. I rolled this fruit recently, so I'm just gonna. I don't think this that good for grinding, but it's good for PvP. Like above control. Leopard used to be the best fruit in the game. I think you're same. Like, oh no, you're above spirit. Yeah, you're above spirit, my boy. You're above spirit. Next, Yeti. Everyone wants this. You're the same as Gas, my boy. Kitsune. You are same as Gas. Finally, Dragon. This is the. Oh, I've never mind, but this is the East version is #1 Super OP. I mean the West version. I don't know. I forgot. I'm confused. I mean, like the best one, like the best dragon. I think West or East. I forgot. I think the one West is probably good, same good as, and then the East. I don't know, but same as Gas. Okay, this is our tier list. The worst fruits being Spin, Spring, Spike, and bad fruit, Rocket, and Bomb. Meh, Ghost, Rubber, Diamond, and Smoke. Absolutely good fruit. Spider. And the next, Quake. Next, Sound, Flame, Eagle, Phoenix, Love, and Ice. Great, Creation, Light, Shadow, Mammoth, Magma, Pain, Gravity, Venom. Blizzard, Control, Spirit, Leopard, Buddha and Portal, Lightning, Doe, and T-Rex, Gas, Yeti, Kitsune, and I think East Dragon and West Dragon. Done with my tier list, my boys. See you again in the next video. Subscribe to the Great Lucasian. Bye, guys.